Successful traders exhibit three crucial habits that set them apart from others. Firstly, strategic planning is paramount. This involves setting clear financial goals, defining risk tolerance, and creating a robust trading strategy. Sticking to this plan, even in turbulent markets, is a hallmark of seasoned traders, providing a roadmap for navigating uncertainties with confidence. Equally vital is effective risk management, adhering to a 1 or 2% rule, risking no more than a certain percentage of your capital on any single trade, ensures that traders can weather the inevitable drawdowns that any strategy, no matter how robust, will undoubtedly experience. The third essential habit for successful traders is a commitment to continuous learning. Never think that you know it all. The markets have an uncanny ability to destroy those with overinflated egos and tend to reward those who are patient, disciplined, and willing to keep up with ever-changing market conditions. Please note that all information in this video is provided for educational purposes only, and it's not an offer or recommendation to trade futures, stocks, options, or forex.